Do you follow rules?
I listen. Sometimes.
So, little guy, mind if I ask you a couple questions? Do you like your neighbors?
Only when they're quiet.
Noted.
So tell me, feathered friend, where have you traveled?
Anywhere my wings allow.
Give him a hand, folks.
Do you share food? Sharing ends at one bite.
So, what's your morning routine?
Wake up, talk, repeat.
That sums it up, huh?
Who dresses you?
Nature. Custom made.
That's good.
How old are you?
Old enough to know better, young enough to try again.
Oh, wow.
All right, feathered friend, what's your name?
Name? Depends. Am I in trouble?
You've got to be kidding me. Smart mouth, huh?
Pretty smart.
All right, feathered friend, what do you do for a living?
Full-time talker, part-time entertainer.
Oh, you're kidding me.
How many hours do you sleep?
Whenever the crowd stops talking.
Oh no.
So do you exercise?
Talking burns calories, right? Oh, that's a good one.
Fair point. So tell me, feathered friend, do you follow traffic rules?
I stop, but only midair.
Oh, that's good.
What? It's the safest place.
Do you remember things well?
Only the embarrassing parts.
How many languages do you speak?
Enough to confuse everyone. Hola, señoritas y caballeros. Bonsoir, mes amis. Daja hao, zibbity bop shishka bloop, sergamutlish, yeah?
You're writing the report later.
As long as it's in crayon.
Yes.
So, big guy, can you sing?
Only when nobody asks.
Oh, come on! Do you respect the police?
Absolutely. From a safe distance.
Oh, you are something else.
Do you have many friends?
Only one who listen.
Are you well behaved?
I'm not Brenda.
Guess he speaks the truth.
Are you on social media?
I go viral without internet.
That's good. Well, can't argue with that.
Any advice for people?
Talk less, listen more.
That's good. That's solid.
You seem confident.
I practice in the mirror.
All right, big talker. How much do you earn?
Enough to pay in compliments.
Oh, you're good.
Pretty good, huh?
Did you go to school?
Yes, but I skipped flying class.
Oh, that's good.
Are you married?
No, I like my freedom and my snacks.
Fair enough.
Do you like this weather?
As long as my feathers stay stylish.
That's a good answer.
You know it.
Do you have a phone?
No, I'm already on speaker mode.
Oh, wow. All right, you win, buddy.
Captain Crackers, do you think you'd make a good leader?
Only if snacks are provided.
Honest answer. Can't argue with that.
All right, partner, what are your weekend plans?
Same thing, stealing attention.
You heard him. Guess I'm on lookout duty.
Can you stay quiet?
That's classified information.
What makes you happy, little guy?
Do you have any ID?
Only my good reputation. Ha! Oh, wow.
That was good.
Oh, what's your favorite snack?
Whatever you're holding.
All right.
What's today's weather?
I'm perfect for flying and gossip.
Well, you heard the expert.
Who disciplines you?
Ha ha ha!
Oh, come on. When will you retire?
When people stop laughing.
Ah, you hear that?
I'll have to keep you on the beat then.
Who disciplines you?
Hunger.